Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have Word that supports the black theme. That matters because older builds lack this option. You save a backup copy so color edits won't ruin original formatting. Then go to File, Account, choose Office Theme and pick black to switch the app Chrome immediately. Once done, make sure Windows System Theme is set to dark for consistent dialogues and file picker colors. This reduces visual clashes and gives you a true black UI baseline. Now you make the document canvas truly black so the reading surface matches the UI. You go to Design, Page Color, and choose Black. This fills the page but will hide black text, so immediately select all text and change the font color to white or a light gray for legibility. Once done, update styles, normal, heading 1, heading 2, so new text uses the light color automatically. This saves time and keeps formatting consistent as you edit or add content. To finish, fix elements that don't adapt. Select images and use format options like recolor or add a light border so they stand out on black. For printing or sharing, switch the page color back to white or export a PDF and confirm background settings and export options because many printers ignore black page fills. If things revert or styles act odd, make sure the Office theme is still black, reapply your custom styles, and restart Word. That usually clears cached display settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.